Hello again, and thanks for joining us. Today we want to show you how versatile a hydraulic pump can be, and not just to power the usual tools for lifting, cutting, spreading, torquing, or pressing. They can do more than you think, especially battery-powered models. Let's explore an innovative application for the Enerpac XC2 pump. When a roof tile plant in Brisbane, Australia was looking to boost productivity, one of the challenges was to improve the insulation of their 20 curing chambers to ensure airtight seals and consistent temperature. They needed a custom-designed door system that could handle the demands of a fast-paced manufacturing environment. The answer was a frame-mounted, custom push-bar locking system powered by an Enerpac battery-powered pump and a hydraulic cylinder. So how does it work? Well, the operator simply moves the frame into place and activates the pump. The cylinder pushes the locking bar to seal the door. Then the frame-mounted system is released and is easily slid across to the next curing chamber. So what were the benefits of the new system? Reduced manual handling risks, improved operator safety, and a significant boost in productivity. The refurbished chambers, with the help of the new door locking system, led to a 50% reduction in tile strength variation and reduced residual moisture variation by 47%. This not only increased daily production, but also reduced storage time before customer dispatch. So there you have it. Huge benefits made possible thanks to the help from a battery-powered pump and a hydraulic cylinder. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.